Welcome back, everyone. Today on the agenda is garlic. If you're wondering why garlic is more than just a kitchen superhero, stick around because I've got 9 benefits plus 2 bonus benefits that'll have you running to the grocery store to pick some up. Number 1, antibacterial. When garlic is crushed or chopped, it releases allicin, which has potent antibacterial properties. This makes garlic an effective tool in combating certain bacteria, potentially contributing to a healthier immune system and overall well-being. While it's essential to note that garlic isn't a substitute for medical treatments, incorporating garlic into your diet can be a flavorful way to support your body's natural defense mechanisms against bacterial threats. Before we move on to number 2, I want to give you one of the bonus benefits now and one at the end of the video. Did you know that garlic is also known as a vampire repellent? Garlic has a long history of being considered a potent protective substance in many cultures, as people would use it as a charm to prevent against attacks or ward off mythical creatures. Now, in the vampire myth as we know it today, garlic was used to drive away vampires. The connection between garlic and vampires became really popular with Bram Stoker's famous novel, Dracula, and we've been using it in movies ever since. Anyway, let's keep it moving. Number 2 is antioxidants. Garlic has plenty of antioxidants. These are compounds that help neutralize harmful molecules called free radicals in the body. Free radicals are produced during normal metabolic processes and can cause oxidative stress that can lead to various health issues, including inflammation. By consuming garlic, you introduce these antioxidants into your body, providing a defense mechanism against free radicals. Number 3 is heart health. Multiple studies have indicated that garlic may have a positive effect on the heart. One notable benefit is its potential to lower cholesterol levels. Garlic contains compounds that may reduce the production of cholesterol in the liver and lower overall cholesterol levels in the bloodstream. Additionally, garlic is believed to have blood pressure regulating properties, which we'll talk about later on. Some studies suggest that garlic may help relax the blood vessels and improve blood flow. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you may be supporting cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of heart-related issues. Number 4, anti-inflammatory. Garlic is known to possess anti-inflammatory properties, which means it has the potential to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or harmful stimuli. But chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, including joint pain. Allicin, as we mentioned earlier in the video, it's an active compound in garlic that has been studied for its anti-inflammatory effects. It may help inhibit inflammatory pathways and reduce the production of inflammatory molecules in the body. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you may experience a soothing effect on inflammation, potentially alleviating conditions like joint pain and contributing to overall well-being. So, think of garlic as not just a flavorful spice, but also a natural ally in combating inflammation in the body. Now, while we're talking about flavor, leave a comment on some of the best ways you use garlic in food. Now, I know this isn't a fitness channel, but every once in a while, I like to indulge. One of my favorite foods is benin or roast pork. I like to take whole garlic cloves and stuff them into the roast pork to give it flavor. Number 5 is blood pressure. Garlic isn't just for the taste buds, it's also great for your blood pressure. Garlic is believed to have positive effects on blood pressure regulation. The active compounds in garlic can help relax and widen the blood vessels. This relaxation of blood vessels can contribute to improved blood flow and reduce pressure on your arteries. While more research is needed to fully understand the extent of garlic's impact on blood pressure, incorporating garlic naturally is a great way to support healthy blood pressure levels. Garlic has been suggested to have potential benefits for enhancing exercise and athletic performance. So here's an overview on how garlic can make you a better athlete. Increased nitric oxide production. Garlic contains compounds that have been associated with the increased production of nitric oxide in the body. The nitric oxide helps dilate blood vessels and improves blood flow. That improved blood flow helps deliver oxygen and other nutrients to the muscles during physical activity. Enhance endurance. Improved blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles can contribute to enhanced endurance during aerobic exercises such as running or cycling. Reduce exercise-induced fatigue. Some studies suggest that garlic may have anti-fatiguing effects, potentially reducing the feeling of tiredness during prolonged physical activity. Anti-inflammatory effects. Garlic's anti-inflammatory effects may aid in managing inflammation associated with intense physical activity, potentially contributing to better recovery. Moving on to number 7, garlic's effect on the skin. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, garlic can help clear up acne and other skin blemishes. Who needs expensive skin products when you have garlic in the kitchen? Garlic is known for its natural antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, which can help fight bacteria on the skin's surface, making it effective in addressing acne and other blemishes. Acne is often caused by the overgrowth of bacteria that can contribute to the inflammation and the formation of pimples. The antibacterial properties of garlic may help in reducing the bacteria that causes acne. Number 8, anti-aging. Garlic is associated with potential anti-aging benefits. The antioxidants in garlic help fight oxidative stress, which is a key contributor to aging. The antioxidants in garlic may help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to the skin, keeping it firm and elastic. Garlic's antioxidant properties may help support collagen production and help maintain your skin's elasticity. As promised, here's bonus number 2, mosquito repellent. Consuming garlic is believed to act as a natural mosquito repellent due to the compounds released through the skin and breath after consuming garlic. Here's how garlic may function as a mosquito repellent. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that's released when the garlic is crushed. These compounds contribute to that strong scent and the taste of garlic. After consuming garlic, the sulfur compounds are metabolized and released through the skin and the breath. The emission creates a scent that mosquitoes find quite unpleasant. Last but not least, garlic is great for mental wellness. Studies suggest that it may have cognitive enhancing properties and promote brain health. Let me explain. Antioxidants in garlic may help combat oxidative stress, which is associated with aging and cognitive decline. Additionally, garlic's potential to improve blood flow and reduce inflammation could have positive effects on the brain function. While more research is needed to fully understand the specific mechanisms and the extent of garlic's impact on mental wellness, incorporating garlic into your diet may offer an edge on cognitive decline. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on awesome content.